Why an off-plan is good for your investment opportunity. In this video, I'll be talking about reasons why you should key into off-plan properties that will give you fast appreciation on your investment. Hi, I'm Benga Phillips, lead consultant GPO. Stay tuned. So buying an off-plan means that you're purchasing a property that has not been completely built, both residential and commercial, but you are keying into the developer's mindset, and all you get to do is to look at the layout, the building plan, survey plan, either in 3D or layout itself. One of the reasons why you should key into an off-plan is that it affords you opportunity to pay on instrumental. Flexible payment plan is guaranteed. So say from 20% or 30%, depending on the company, you pay the initial deposit of this property, and then you get to spread from 12 months, 18 months, 24 months and beyond, depending on the company or the developer's plan. This property appreciates from time to time as it progresses. It's always a very good investment opportunity because of price appreciation. Take for example, someone bought a property for 40 million naira at the very ground level, meaning at the foundation stage. By the time they went to the first lintel, it had appreciated about 15-20%. By the time they got to the another level, the middle floor, it has appreciated again. And by the time it was completed, it has appreciated about 100%, meaning it is a very good investment opportunity to always key into off-plan. There are downsides to it. Downside is that sometimes economic conditions of the country affects property. So sometimes you could see delay, maybe a property that they've said it will be taking 12 months or 18 months and then it's extending to 24 months. I would rather say that it's better late than never, and it's better good quality at the end of the day than give you substandard quality and just rush it and shabbily present a property to you that, God forbid, can collapse any day. Also, once you key into an off-plan property, the price you key into it at the initial stage or the final time you pay, which means if it increases in price, it has nothing to do with you. So you're buying for 40 million yet again, and then you keep paying 20% or 30% of 40 million, and at the end of the day, that is all you get to pay from day one to the end of it all. Once it appreciates, you don't need to fret. Instead, it affects you on the positive side. Your property has appreciated. That is one of the great reasons why people invest in an off-plan property. It always appreciates and it doesn't affect the initial money you have paid. Another wonderful reason why an off-plan is good for investment purpose is that you can tweak this property at the early stages. What this means is your walk-in closet is not as big as you want. You can expand it. Your toilet or sitting room or even your kitchen is not as big as you want it to be. You can tweak it as long as you don't affect the beam of the building. Furthermore, in an off-plan property, what you can do also is that you get to pick the unit you want. Unlike a ready-made property, you cannot choose the exact one you want. They give you what is available. But in off-plan, you can say, oh, I want the penthouse. Oh, I want the left wing first floor, or I want the right wing last floor or middle floor. Also, you can cash out on your investment even at any stage if you decide you want to sell. You can either sell back to the company or get someone else to buy from it. So I believe I have been able to pass a few tips concerning why an off-plan property is good for your investment purpose. Saying thank you for watching. Benga Phillips signing out. Bye for now.